6 minus 5 is just 1. And here we have 5 minus 6, which gives us negative 1. So 1 times negative 1 gives us negative 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first 5 times 5, which equals 25. So 6 minus 25 minus 6. Now we have to work from left to right. 6 minus 25 gives us negative 19. And negative 19 minus 6 gives us negative 25. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 25.